In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find installed apps in Google Play. If you've ever wanted to quickly see which apps are currently installed on your Android device, Google Play gives you an easy way to do it. This can be helpful if you want to review what's on your phone, check for apps that need attention, or simply manage everything from one place inside the Play Store. To get started, open Google Play on your device. You'll want to launch the Play Store app just like you normally would when downloading or updating apps. Once it opens, make sure you're on the main screen so it's easier to find the options we need. Next, go to your profile and look for the option called Manage Apps and Device. Your profile icon is usually located in the top right corner of the Google Play app. Tap that icon to open your account menu. In that menu, you should see Manage Apps and Device. This is the section where Google Play lets you view and control app-related information connected to your device. After that, look near the top of the screen for the Manage tab and tap on it. This is an important step because the overview area may show app updates, storage information, or security status, but the Manage tab is where you can see a fuller list of apps associated with your device. Once you switch to that tab, Google Play will show you more detailed app management options. From there, you'll see the apps installed on your device. This list gives you a convenient view of what is currently installed all in one place. It's a useful screen if you want to scroll through your apps, recognize what you're actively using, or identify apps you may no longer need. Depending on your version of Google Play, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall path is generally the same. If you don't immediately see what you expect, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, since app information can vary between accounts. Also, keep in mind that Google Play updates its interface from time to time, so labels or tab placement may move slightly, but Manage Apps and Device and the Manage tab are still the key places to check. And that's it. Once you open Google Play, go to your profile, select Manage Apps and Device, and tap the Manage tab. You'll be able to view the installed apps on your device quickly and easily.